Here's how to disassemble the BrightStarts Baby Bouncer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the toy bar. Remove the toy bar. Put that aside. Then you're gonna tip it over. This has a low battery in it, so whenever it dies, I'll be changing it. So then I don't have to. Then I unbuckled those buckles over there. But I can tell the vibration is slow in this. So when I do put it together, and my son gets his swing, I will put a new battery in this whenever it goes dead completely. Okay, so that comes off. The little vibration piece comes off. Seat cover comes off. Now, to disassemble the frame, you're gonna need to take these two green stoppers and push, and then unclip by, drop the camera on you guys. But that's how you would take apart the one side of the frame. I probably dropped the camera while trying to disassemble this, but you need 2 fingers on the frame, then unclip this. And this small part will go aside here. And then the seat cover and the toy bar. So now you're left with this whole mechanism here, which the clips, you hold down a clip and it comes out, which is pretty damn easy, but I won't be able to get it on camera. Hopefully I can. I hold down the small clip right here and then I pull. So I'm gonna do that right now. But that's already disassembled. Now I'm gonna disassemble the seat frame. There's a small pin, a locking pin under here. Small itty bitty locking pin under here that I'm gonna push on, and that comes out. That's how you disassemble the BrightStarts Baby Bouncer. Subscribe and have a nice day.